Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a bunk bed accessory that is a must-have for your children if you have a bunk bed set up, so they can organize their toys or books, or just somewhere where they can place a storage for their items when they're sleeping, like if they have a tablet, or if they have something like a toy or something. So this is how it looks like. I have 4 children, so I got 4 pieces of this. This is called, if you search it, it's called like a bunk bed storage or metal rack, a bunk bed metal rack, and this measures about 10 to 12 inches. As you can see, and 6 inches deep and about 6 inches width. So let's open one.